how to fix GTA 5 GTA 5 applications was unable to start correctly, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just type here control panel, click on it. Now once you're here, click view by and select small icons, and now once you're here, all you need to do just go to once you're here, just search for, wait, where is it? This one here is it, programs and features, and then just click here, click on it, and now just click make sure to select those two framework, and then click OK, then just wait, and wait.